Guys, this is the preview of the Valentine's Day premiere. The preview of the Valentine's Day premiere. And you're probably asking, Fernando, what is the Valentine's Day premiere preview? Well, we are previewing to unboxing The Child with Valentine Heart wristband. And we are going to go live on Valentine's Day with the Baby Yoda Build-A-Bear preview at 1:45 p.m. Pacific Time, Arizona time. We will go live with unboxing The Child with Heart wristband Build-A-Bear. And we will be giving it a name, and we will also be unboxing it out of the Cub condom. It's gonna be a sick video, guys, so make sure you go February 14th, 1:45 p.m. Pacific time. We are gonna go live posting. We are going to preview, guys. We're gonna preview the Baby Yoda today, and